Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we wanted to welcome you all to our shrimp boil. I'm Jerry and I'm living the Newcomb life. Alright guys, so on today's video, we are going to show you guys how we are going to do today's shrimp boil. And it's also called a low country boil. It's basically the same thing. Some of the spices might be a little different, but stand by and we're going to take you guys through the whole process.
All right guys, so what we're doing here is we have well water that we use, and it comes out at about 50 to 55 degrees. So it's really cold and it takes a lot of effort to get that up to boiling, which is what we need. So we're not planning on starting probably for about another 5 hours. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill this about halfway to where we need, and then we're going to cover it with the lid, and we're going to let it sit in the sun until we are ready to use it. And by that time, we're hoping that it'll bring it up to a higher temperature, definitely higher than the 50 to 55 degrees that it comes out of the well. That way it won't take so long for us to get that water up to boil.
All right, good. Gotta bring it back up to a boil and boil for 10 minutes. All right guys, so far we have put in all of the spices, which is Old Bay. We did the Zatarain shrimp boil, salt and pepper, and then we added onions and garlic, and then we added potatoes. Those are cooking now. They have to cook for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add sausage and corn, and that's going to cook for an additional 10 minutes, and then we add the shrimp, and that's going to cook for an additional 6 minutes, and we're done. Right, I'm going to add the corn. Bring that to a boil, and then we got to set it for another 10 minutes. All right, time to add the shrimp. Definitely max that pot out. All right, we need to bring that back up to a boil again and let it cook for 8 minutes. Just kind of halfway. I think it needs to drain. Yeah. Look at how full that is.
It looks delicious.
All right. That's one. Okay, good. Oh, okay. Pretty good. You got it. Okay, I got it. I don't think we need the gloves. I don't think I'm going to do the gloves either. Gosh, those things worked perfect though. All right guys, so if you like content like this, please leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.